How to check tagged location on Instagram map. Let's jump right in, follow along. Open the Instagram app, tap the search icon, the magnifying glass, type the name of any place, for example, a cafe, a city, a mall, a park. Once the results show up, tap the place tab, tap any place from the list. You will see a page with post tag at the spot. On the location page, tap View on Map or tap See More. Now you are inside the Instagram map for the tag location. Zoom in and zoom out to see more posts tagged around the area. Instagram will show public posts that people have tagged on that location. Tap any thumbnail to open and view it. Tap the search bar next to the address and type a new place. Tap the result to jump to its tag post. See a post with a location tag under the username. This shows all the posts tagged at the same spot on the map. If your account is public and you tag the location in your post or story, it can also appear on the map for others to see. If you just checked a tagged spot on the map, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.